My role at Nandina REM is working on our remanufacturing processes for various different materials. I have a core focus on carbon fibre, so looking at the disassembly of the carbon fibre products coming from the aircraft, and then how we reprocess it into new materials. Getting to see how the aircraft comes apart and the various different materials that we can extract from it. I love building systems, designing processes, and working in remanufacturing can be quite creative because there's so many different avenues that you can take it. Being able to build those systems and processes at scale excites me. It's such a good springboard for this type of initiative of remanufacturing. The materials are so valuable. The traceability and the regulations is already at a very high level. So in order for us to do what we want to do, it will be the benchmark to then take into every industry in terms of remanufacturing and recycling. I think circularity and sustainability is a must-have in the future. I mean, it's a scarcity of resources. We need to be able to work with what we have. And when you've got such high-value materials, I mean, there's so many different ways that you can redeploy them. It's a new industry, like the technologies that we're developing is sort of brand new. So it really creates that opportunity to do something with it. And there's a lot of drive behind it. If I had any superpower for a day, it would be to fly. So I can travel around and see places.